Hello students, today I am going to discuss about life history of Spirogyra. It is in two parts. These are learning points. In first part, we'll discuss about classification, habitat, thallus structure, cell structure, vegetative and asexual reproduction. And in the second part, we'll discuss about sexual reproduction and its types. Classification, kingdom Plantae, subkingdom Cryptogams, division Chlorophyta, orders Zygnematales or conjugals, family Zygnimataceae, genus Spirogyra, and common names are Mons, Kummer, Pons. So let us talk about habitat. According to Randhawa, out of the total 289 species of Spirogyra found in the world, about 94 species are found in India. It is cosmopolitan in distribution. It is found in freshwater such as pools, ponds, lakes, etc., and also in slow running water of rivers and streams. It grows as free floating, extensive green masses, hence commonly called pond scum. Right? It is slippery in nature, so are commonly known as pond silk or water silk. So these are the common species of Spirogyra which found in India. Spirogyra condensata, Spirogyra communis, Spirogyra indica, Spirogyra annulata, Spirogyra microspora, and Spirogyra parvula. Let's discuss about thallus structure of Spirogyra. So the plant body consists of filaments which are soft, mucilaginous, cylindrical, unbranched and multicellular. The young filaments of Spirogyra are found attached to the substratum with the modified basal cell. Okay. Whereas the upper portion or upper cell is dome shaped. Adult plants are always free floating. Right? Every cell in the filament is similar in structure, so it is capable to do all the physiological processes independently. Hence, the thallus is structurally multicellular, but physiologically it is unicellular. Okay. The most salient feature of this Spirogyra is that it has spirally arranged ribbon-shaped green-colored chloroplast. Okay, it is named after that. Spiro means coiled and gyra means curved. So let us discuss about cell structure of Spirogyra. Each cell of Spirogyra consists of cell wall, plasma membrane, chloroplast, cytoplasm, nucleus, cytoplasmic strands, vacuole, and pyrenoids. So each cell consists of a formed cell wall which enclosing a mass of a protoplast. Here you can see the cell wall here. Okay. Cell wall is two layered. The inner layer is composed of cellulose while the outer layer is composed of pectic substances. Okay. So that substance, while dissolved in water, made a mucilaginous component, okay, which made this filament slippery. The protoplast consists of a single nucleus, mass of cytoplasm, variable number of flat ribbon-shaped chloroplast, and a large vacuole. So, the nucleus situated in the center of the vacuole. It is suspended by the cytoplasmic strands. Here you can see the cytoplasmic strands. So there are cytoplasmic strands to hold this nucleus. Spirogyra is green algae, so it has to have those green pigment okay, which is present in chloroplast. So chloroplast in case of Spirogyra, it is ribbon shaped and spirally arranged. Here you can see the green structure. Okay, they are ribbon shaped and spirally arranged. On this chloroplast, many pyrenoids are present. Here you can see the black dots, which are the pyrenoids. Right? So pyrenoids are nothing but it has central core of protein and it is surrounded by the starch. This is reserve food material for algae. Right? So this is the cell structure of Spirogyra. Reproduction in Spirogyra. Generally, Spirogyra reproduced by all the methods like vegetative reproduction, asexual reproduction, and sexual reproduction. Okay. So let us discuss about vegetative reproduction. So in the vegetative reproduction, fragmentation is the common method of it. Okay. Let us see what happens in this fragmentation. So in the fragmentation, the filament of a Spirogyra it is broken down into many fragments, and each of these fragments will grow into new filament. Right? The fragmentation may be done by any injuries, okay, or accidental breaking of the filament. Okay. Or else sometimes it can be done by bitten by the fishes or other aquatic organism or subsequent dissolution of middle lamellae of two cells. Okay, and the other factors are there like changes in pH, changes in temperature. Okay, water current is also play a role in this fragmentation. Right? Asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction is generally rare and occurs in very few species. It takes place by formation of echinids, aplanospores, and parthenospores. So what are echinids? Echinids are resting spores with abundant food material stored inside in it. It is generally formed under unfavorable conditions when vegetative cell develops into a round ball-like structure which develop a thick cell around them. Okay, so they are known as echinids. Then the other method is by aplanospore. Aplanospore develops from the protoplast of the vegetative cells. Under unfavorable condition, protoplast of each vegetative cell got contract or shrinked and round off. Okay, at the center. And after that, it develops a thick wall around them to form a spore-like structure. Right? Then the parthenospores. Okay, generally, parthenospores are formed when the gametes are failed to fuse during the process of reproduction. Okay, and it secretes a cell wall around it and they behave as a spores. Such spores are called parthenospores or zygospores. Okay. These spores are germinate directly into a new haploid filament. Okay. So here the topic of part 1 is completed. So we'll see the sexual reproduction in our next video of part 2. Thank you.